Okay, guys, so I'm in bed, which is where I start my writing for the day. And I wanted to show you, I figured this would be an excellent example to go with the companion video that I did where I told you how to write faster. So I want to show you how you do that in Word. So you come here where it says um, dictate in the far right corner. You see where my thing is flashing cursor. I'm going to hit that, but now it's going to type. When I hit it, it's going to type everything that I say. But again, I wanted to show you guys this so you can use it. So type, you hear that key, and now it's going to type everything I say. So literally my hands are right here, and I don't have to do anything at all but just sit here and let it type for me. And this is excellent for people who want to get that book done, but maybe your hands hurt, or maybe you have some kind of handicap where you aren't able to use your hands. I know myself, if you see me wearing these gloves, I have carpal tunnel right now from all of the writing and the video editing and things that I've been doing. But as you can see, it's pretty accurate. It seems like they may have gotten more accurate. I remember saying in the video that words probably is not as accurate, but this thing seems to be pretty accurate. So I just wanted to show this to you. And if you want, I may have time to go ahead and show you the example in the Google Docs too. So let me see if I can do that really quickly. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna stop the typing for right now. I'm gonna actually delete this too because this is actually I'm actually using a file that I'm actually typing from. Like literally this is what I'm putting my book on, but I just wanted to show you this since I'm in bed. So let me come out here, come out of there. Now y'all seeing my personal business, child. Okay. Let me come and go to here, open up, and I'm going to pull up Google Docs. Because I want to see if it's fast. Since we're here, it might as well show you guys, right? And I want to see if it's going to be as fast. So let me get a blank document. So what you do is you come up here to where it says Tools. I believe it's still there. Oh, they must have moved it. Okay, let's see. Oh, you know what? In some browsers, you don't have that option. So let's go right now since we're doing this. So we're going to see it. Let's see it. So I'm in Firefox. And in some of the browsers, I found out a while ago that they don't have that option. So before we leave out of here and go to another browser, I want to make sure that it's not here because I believe it should be in Tools. It should have voice text, and I don't see it. So let's go out of here, and I'm going to go in Google Chrome. And this is something that I ended up finding out a while ago, but since we're in here, let's see what it looks like. So I'm going to hit Google Docs, and I'm going to pull up the option again. I'll go back to Tools, and you see right here it says voice typing. So guys, this particular option is only available on Google Chrome, but I want to use it so you can see that it does definitely work. Okay, hit voice typing, then you go over here and you hit click to speak. You hit click to speak, it's going to allow you to do everything you need to do. So right now I'm talking and I'm not really using my hands, and you can talk at a comfortable speed, although sometimes because I do have a Baltimore slash, well actually DC slash Baltimore slash Houston, Texas slash DMV accent, sometimes things mesh together, but you can see that it's pretty much working smoothly. So this is what you can do, and you can write your entire book like this and never have to use your hands. So I wanted to share this with you guys. Please share this video with someone who may be interested in writing a book but may not be a good typist and things like that. Now, of course, you're going to have to do some kind of editing in terms of, you're going to have to do some formatting. But, and I'll link a formatting link below so that you can know how to format your paragraphs in the event you want to write, but you don't know how to do that. I'll link that below, which is a course which will show you not only the formatting, but it will also show you how to set up paragraphs and set up your document so that it is ready for books. So that's it. Bye.